I think I got the wrong memo. But, I mean, we're here and the weather is fine. So let's make the most of it.
Hi.
He's the chauffeur, don't worry. The chauffeur brought a spare mask in case, I don't know, someone had the same mask as he. So they wouldn't feel embarrassed, you know, if two guys or girls or people, I don't know, mask bearers, board, were wearing those, damn it. Is it working? Help me up. Help me up here. Joke. I know Kung Fu. Fan of the Jackie Chan movies. Do you really think there were so many people around back then? I don't know. I think, you know, there was the plague, for instance, and also all other sorts of illnesses and sicknesses and wars, not to forget, and famine and shit. I don't think people were just, you know, running around like this, dressed up and wearing... That's racist. Yeah, it's fine, no worry. I'm Japanese. How could you not tell the difference? Yeah, anyways, so we're here at this medieval festival and it's going to be great. I dressed up appropriately, I just didn't know that it was also European medieval.
She's got like sloppy sleeves. Yeah. Or slutty sleeves, I don't know. I'm not too firm on the language.
Yeah. So she's basically explaining how a long zipfel represents your wealth. I'm not sure if it's an innuendo for something. Shitty biker merch. Crusaders edition. A pretty nice basket. It's like a helmet, but with a chin strap that is already attached to it. I mean, you can even have a really big head and it would still fit. You know, it's like a prototype of what later developed into a cycling helmet. Yeah, I heard Lance Armstrong, he used to start with these. He's bringing in the swag.
This is boring. It's like university. What the fuck am I doing here? I did this for 2 years. I did this for 2 years. I didn't graduate.
I don't know. Is this the real, like, the experience that we came here for? I don't know, man. No, I don't want to kick. Okay. No, I'm not going to kick his. No, I'm not doing it. I could, but I won't. Because of safety reasons. There are children around, you know? And if something goes wrong, it could go terribly wrong. Let's hurry up. We're late. Come on, hurry up, man. We gotta go. We have to be somewhere. I don't know where exactly, but it's gonna be great. Let's go. Fuck off, man. We're busy here.
Kanzlerwiese is there, so we should... Maybe this?
Into the dungeon. So apparently there are supposed to be lots of skulls and shit. Look at it, how meticulously they even sorted the bones. Like letters, you see that? Yes. There's IHS. Probably stands for something.
I hoard.
I hoard. I hoard skulls. Dude, that must be like 25 bodies, at least.
Way more, that's hundreds of bodies.
Hundreds of bodies?
Yes, for sure.
Man. I think that was too much. That was too real for my taste. I thought this would be, you know, about joy and fun and all the good times that people had in back then. But turns out those people died. And some sick fuck collected all their bones. Let's do a crypt walk.
Nah, to the Kanzlerwiese.
Can you do a crypt walk? We have to go to the Judengasse. Hasty, be hasty. We're late for the beauty pageant. It's about to start, and they're going to crown the most beautiful belly boy in the village. Unfortunately, I wasn't enrolled, and the squire is not, suitable for this job. Beanbag, because it's super comfortable to sit at, and they are very determined in making it as hard for you as possible to get the beanbag into your beanbag shelter, which is right there. Oh yeah, it was beautiful. A man has just informed me that I need to talk very tenderly into my little ferret here. It looks kind of cute, doesn't it? I think it could come back as an accessory this fall winter. Chanel, Gucci, Versace. Look, there is action going on. Get it? It's like a pre-modern version of, hacky sacking, but way less chill. I think it's a good thing that they made the hacky sacks smaller, so they took out lots of the aggression, the potential for aggression. Because realistically, such a small sack, what can you do with a small sack? There are lots of things that you could do with a small sack. I'm not saying that it's useless or anything, but bigger sack is always better. I'm not a doctor or anything, but I'm pretty sure that some of these men will have mild concussions, right? Percussions would be fun as well. Okay, we've got to find the archery spot. Yeah, I want to go to the archery. We gotta hurry. Come on. We're finally coming closer to my childhood dream. I can really run around and dodge people from the doorways. Ha! Like a cat. Silent. Deadly. No, better not. I'm okay, I just have a little low blood sugar. I'm tired. We've been running around all day long. But we finally reached our destination. So look on the bright side. Someone stole my arrow. Now I've got to go to jail or something, I don't know. In a warm fire on a cold day to soothe your hands from the strenuous archery that we just did. It's too hot. It's too hot. Come on. Hurry up. There's so much more to see. Come on. It's time to say goodbye, let go of the past, and move on, and look ahead into the future that lies beyond this barren gate. It's gonna be awesome. Well, depending on what angle you look at it from, but it will be good. So hurry up, come on, we've got lots to explore. Hurry up, come on.